A new home for Leo. Leo the lion lived in a big green forest. He loved his home. But one day his family told him they were moving to a new place called the city. The city was very different. There were tall buildings like trees and many other animals. Leo felt a little scared. The food was different too. In the forest, Leo ate juicy berries. In the city, everyone ate something called pizza. It looked strange. Leo missed his forest food. He tried to find berries, but he couldn't find any. He felt very hungry. The animals in the city talked in a different way. Leo couldn't understand them. He felt very lonely. One day, a friendly dog named Daisy came to Leo. She wagged her tail and said, "Hello," in a way that Leo could understand. Daisy showed Leo how to eat pizza. It was yummy. She also taught him some new words. Soon, Leo made more friends. He learned that the city was not so scary. It was just different. Leo still missed his forest sometimes, but he also liked his new home in the city. He had new friends and new foods to try. Leo learned that a new home can be a fun adventure. You just need a friendly paw to help you.